Are you a dog lover who wants to keep your furry friend healthy and happy? Well, did you know that certain dog breeds have a higher risk of developing cancer? It's a scary thought, but knowledge is power. So, get ready to be informed and entertained as we reveal the top 10 dog breeds with the highest cancer rates. But wait, there's more. We'll also be sharing tips on how you can reduce the risk of cancer in your beloved foods. So grab some popcorn, snuggle up with your four-legged companion, and let's dive into this important topic together. Number 1, Boxers. Boxers are a breed prone to certain health conditions, including cancer. According to the American Boxer Club, boxers have a higher than average incidence of cancer, and tumors are the most common cause of death in the breed. Boxers are also at a higher risk of developing certain types of tumors, such as mast cell tumors. Other types of cancer reported in the boxers include lymphoma, hemangiosarcoma, osteosarcoma, and brain tumors. Regular veterinary checkups and screenings can help detect these conditions early, which can improve the chances of successful treatment. However, not all boxers will develop cancer. Many boxers live long and healthy lives, and certain cancers can be prevented through lifestyle choices and breeding away from certain genetic predispositions. Number 2, Golden Retrievers. Golden Retrievers are prone to certain types of cancer, particularly lymphoma, hemangiosarcoma, and osteosarcoma. According to the Morris Animal Foundation, Golden Retrievers are at an increased risk for developing certain types of cancer compared to other breeds. A study conducted by the foundation found that 60% of Golden Retrievers die from cancer, which is a significantly higher rate than in other breeds. However, it is important to note that many factors can contribute to an individual dog developing cancer, and a breed's overall risk is just one of those factors. It is also worth noting that early detection through regular checkups and screenings can improve the chances of successful treatments. For these reasons, regular visits to the vet and attention to changes in health and behavior can be really important in early detection. Number 3, Rottweilers. Rottweilers, like all living organisms, have the potential to develop cancer. In Rottweilers, there is some evidence to suggest that certain types of cancer, such as osteosarcoma and lymphoma, are more common than in other breeds. This could also be due to genetic predispositions. Rottweilers are at a higher risk of developing cancer due to their larger size and longer lifespan, as well as certain lifestyle factors such as diet and exercise. Owners should be aware of this and keep a close eye on their dogs for any signs of illness. Routine vet checkups and screenings can help detect cancer early when it is most suitable. Number 4, Bernese Mountain Dogs. Bernese Mountain Dogs have been found to be at an increased risk of developing certain types of cancer, particularly malignant histiocytosis and mammary tumors. Studies have shown that the incidence of malignant histiocytosis in Bernese Mountain Dogs is significantly higher than in other breeds. This type of cancer is an aggressive blood cell cancer that usually develops in the skin, lymph nodes, and bones. Bernese Mountain Dogs also have a high incidence of mammary tumors, a type of cancer that affects the mammary glands. It's important for Bernese Mountain Dogs owner to be aware of the potential for cancer and to keep a close eye on their dogs for any signs of illness. Number 5, Flat-Coated Retrievers. Flat-coated retrievers are an incredible breed, but sadly, they are at a higher risk of developing certain types of cancer like osteosarcoma and lymphoma compared to other breeds. So it's really important for owners to stay vigilant in looking out for any signs or symptoms that may indicate illness, as early detection is key if you want the best possible outcome for your pup. Regular vet visits can also help identify potential problems before things get too serious. So don't forget those checkups. Number 6, Irish Wolfhounds. Irish Wolfhounds, like many large breeds, can be particularly vulnerable to certain types of cancer. Bone and blood vessel cancers, osteosarcoma, and hemangiosarcoma are among the most common forms found in these majestic animals. Studies have revealed a worrying frequency of Irish Wolfhound diagnosis for both diseases. with bone cancer proving especially prevalent within their population. As such, owners should remain vigilant about genetic or environmental factors that may increase their four-legged companions' risk. So, preventative measures can be taken wherever possible to safeguard them from potentially fatal conditions later in life. Number 7. Great Danes. Great Danes are beautiful and loyal companions, but unfortunately, they are predisposed to developing cancer. In particular, studies have found that Great Danes face a heightened risk of contracting osteosarcoma, making them up to 10 times more likely than other breeds. Another dangerous form of the disease common in this breed is hemangiosarcoma, an insidious type of blood vessel cancer known for its swift spread through vital organs if not treated promptly. This can be attributed partly to their rapid development rate while growing into large dogs with fairly short lifespan compared to other breeds. Number 8. Scottish Deerhounds. Scottish Deerhounds are a lovely and powerful breed, but sadly, their short lifespan can put them at risk for certain kinds of cancer. While the exact occurrence of bone cancer or lymphoma in this particular breed have yet to be fully understood, experts suggest that dietary habits as well as lifestyle factors may increase the incidence rate. To protect our four-legged friends from potential harm, further research is essential to gain an accurate understanding of how we can help keep Scottish Deerhounds happy and healthy. Number 9. Bichon Frise. Bichon Frise owners should be aware of their pup's increased risk for certain types of cancer, such as lymphoma, skin cancer, and mammary tumors. Unfortunately, the breed is known to commonly suffer from a form of blood-based lymphoma, with researchers recording an incidence rate reaching 1.4%. Skin cancers have also been shown to affect the Bichon more than many other breeds, often in the form of squamous cell carcinomas directly related to UV exposure. These same hormonal changes that make them prone to these illnesses may also lead some female pups to develop mammary cancer at higher rates too. Number 10. Basset Hounds. While Basset Hounds enjoy a well-deserved reputation for being one of the most lovable breeds out there, it's worth noting that they may also be particularly vulnerable to some forms of cancer. Several types, including lymphoma and osteosarcoma, are known to commonly affect this breed, while mast cell tumors have also been linked. Of course, their relatively short lifespan is likely another contributing factor in terms of raising the risk level when it comes to developing cancers. But diet and exercise routines shouldn't be overlooked either. In conclusion, it's important to remember that while certain dog breeds may be at a higher risk of developing cancer, this doesn't mean that every dog of that breed will develop the cancer. Many factors, including genetics, environmental exposure, and lifestyle choices, can influence a dog's risk of developing cancer. Remember, early detection is key, and regular checkups can make a huge difference in giving your furry friend the best chance for survival and quality of life. It's always good to consult your vet if you notice any signs of illness in your dog. Thanks for watching.